Bonge Forge, the Machinist, and JULES animation. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hey boss, remind me while I'm here. This isn't exactly our scene. Brutus, it is only right of us to apologize in person. Meddling with Pandora's box has caused more damage than we could have ever imagined. I must try to make amends to Hope. I guess that's fair. But why did you come? You weren't part of the strike team.
You think I've not been asking that myself? Why did you drag me along to this, Dad?
To put it bluntly, I can't remember the last time I've seen you outside your workshop. I was hoping you'd socialize, make some new friends.
Oh God, you did not. Dad, since when did it become a crime to be a little introverted?
Jules, I apologize. I just thought it would...
Look, just go bury the hatchet with Hope or whatever. I'll be at the bar. Please don't take too long.
Hey, wicked party, am I right? Underground forever!
Dude, I'm looking for a drink, not a conversation. Just give me a double flowberry mixer on the rocks.
Yeah, whatever, coming right up. Not looking for a conversation, man.
Holy, are those hydraulics? How the hell did she compress them into such a small frame? Impressive. Huh? Oh God, I was just thinking out loud. Sorry. It's still so cool though. Well, about 87% of the parts are custom. The hydraulic press is just a vehicle, one unminimalized. Even if it's based off an existing part, that is still so difficult to do. And especially when adapting electrics for something as fundamentally different as a chair. Yeah. Everyone else just thinks it's useless, so I'm glad someone finally...
Hey, Grease Monkey, what are you doing here? This is a party for underground members.
I got invited. Is that a problem?
Hope might have forgiven you, but it doesn't mean we will. Everyone knows you're a pathetic, backstabbing coward who only changed sides to save herself.
Look, let's just go our separate ways, Pumpkin, before things get messy, okay? You can go around pulling this little ego stunt with all the other people at the party, and I can have a drink in peace. Preferably far away from you.
No, that's unfortunate, because we were just about to open a tab.
I can't be bothered to do this tonight.
Hey, don't touch me, you...
Cry about it. Hey, wait! I told you, self-righteous morons, to leave me alone! Oh. Sorry, cutie. Realized it was you. What's up? Look, I have no idea what was happening back there, but out of literally everyone else at this party, you seem like the only one who's at least somewhat bearable to talk to and look at. I can tell you aren't great at the whole compliment thing. Yeah, it's not really one of my strong suits. Don't worry.
It isn't really one of mine either. And to be honest, that's the nicest thing you once said to me in a while. Not mine.
Do you maybe want to hang out?
Hang out, huh? Screw it. Alright, we can go to test run.
Oh, God, you were so right about these. I don't think I could ever go back to bar stools again.
Babes, don't go giving me all the credit, okay? Are you sure you never worked with Nitro before? Because you were unnatural.
It helps that I had such a cute teacher.
See, I prefer genius to rival the gods. But cute is just fine. Hey, Jules.
What's up, girl?
The guy at the bar the other night, he might have been a pretentious mouth breather, but he was right. I really did some messed up things in the past. Part of it was Megalodon's manipulation, but I was willing to let him change me. At the time, I thought my work was justified in the name of science. When I look back, all I see is how many people were slaughtered with the weapons I built.
It's okay. Take your time.
I wish I could come back and teach that idiot a lesson. Tell her to look up from her workbench and see how many lives she was ruining. I just want to be better. You're the only person who's actually given me the chance to.
Hey, speaking from experience, I can't pretend the road to redemption is easy. Pulling yourself up from rock bottom is disorganized and fragile. It never works out quite how you envision it. It's just like building your first machine. You can only go up from there. And hey, I can see you're already working towards a fresh start. It might take other people more time, but they will too.
Jules, you're a beautiful person. Better than I deserve to have as a friend.
You know, it's funny you say that. Before this, I didn't really have any close friends. Friends who really got me. And I still really don't think I do.
Jules, I'm really sure you want this.
Yeah. I think I want to give it a test run.
You kids are in big trouble. Oh, relax, Jones. That's Vice Principal Jones to you, young man. And if not for you guys getting in this mess, I would be watching Coral Buddies on live. And it's time for everyone to go to bed anyways.
You're no fun.
I could finally watch my show.
Jake, I know you're cheating on me with
though, because it's definitely not me.
Please, ladies, relax. There's enough room to go around.
You're way too heavy in this one.
What are you yelling at my man?
Jones, I wanted to talk. Where on earth did you get these couches?
So I was thinking about reaching out to Kendo and Jade.
No, Hope. I know you and Kendo have a thing, but this is hardly the time.
I do not have a thing for Kendo.
Yeah, right. I heard through the earpiece you and Kendo's whole conversation.
Well, mister, I even considered giving you a raise.
Oh, come on.
I was wondering if Kendo and Jade maybe wanted to help.
What I said may have sounded kind of father-ish, but Kendo is also taking Daigo being evil very hard.
Yeah, I know, but I keep remembering the times before the academy.
You said her name is what?
On her website, it's Conehead197.
Do you even have her picture?
I mean, she has a cone on her head. She shouldn't be that hard to find, right? Okay, let's split up and ask anyone if they know anything.
Hey there.
Get lost!
Hey there, pretty boy. I was wondering if you could give me some info.
Anything for you, sweet cheeks. But how about you see me behind that stand over there first?
Where on earth is Hope going with that dude? I know. Hope loves guns. Maybe I could get her a few.
Hello, swordsman. Do I have anything that fits your taste?
Excuse me. How much for that gun on the table over there?
I see. You have expensive taste.
Expensive? How much is expensive?
Around 2,000.
2K?
It may cost a pretty penny, but trust me, it's amazing to take out on the right people.
Fine. Just charge it to my card.
Looks like I found our goal. Everyone, report back to me.
Hey, Hope. I got this for you.
Wait, this is a new model. Good grip, great scope, but how much was it?
It doesn't matter.
Kendo?
Okay, it was around 2K, but it's good. I make enough.
Are you sure you want me to keep this?
Yeah, no problem.
Where is she?
She's over there.
Hold on, everyone. Give me 1 minute. Who are you guys?
I'm from the Gilbert website. I'm Black Cat 387.
Oh, wait. I have your stuff. Pour some of this stuff on his vault, and it'll go boom.
Thanks. How much is it?
Take it free of charge, especially if it's going to help with the tax he's been putting on the island. Now go. I don't want to pay $10 for a bag of chips.
It was a pretty fun mission, but it could have gone better.
I'm gonna see what everyone else is thinking. Is it just me, or should we have gone on the mission by now?
Yeah, it's almost time for break and we still haven't done anything yet. Hey guys, liking the changes to the gym? Yeah, I love the little pool you added. Also, you're getting a new teacher. What happened to Superman? He's been changed to front desk duty. You guys can still talk to him anytime you want. I want you guys to show a new student around the school. He's gonna chill with you guys today just until his files are ready. One more thing to say. Your teacher's on his way, so be ready for anything.
And Morgan, meet me in my office after class.
Okay.
So, this is the place you wanted me to come to.
So you are the mercenary.
I sure am. Well, that's if you have enough.
Of course. A trusted one if you told someone private.
Of course not. You said you wanted to see me? Yes, actually, I wanted to give you some personal training.
What kind of training?
I actually wanted to make you leader of the team.
What?
I know it's a big deal, but
I can't even choose what to wear in the morning. And you want me to lead the team?
just give it a try, please.
I guess I'll try.
Thanks. That's all I ask.
Hey, Morgan! Hey.
What's wrong?
Nothing. It's fine.
How about you come to a concert with me?
Haley, I kinda just want to relax tonight.
Hey, Silly Girl. Oh, hey, Liz. I'm heading to that concert downtown.
By the way, how was the student?
He didn't really talk, but he was really nice. Even helped pick up the trash around campus. You must be thinking...
Also, we can't talk because of how he was transformed, so he'll probably just nod and stuff.
Yeah, but it was pretty good. Okay, guys, stop talking. Let's go to the concert.
Going to touch young lady.
Me?
Right. Yeah, I am. If you're gonna stick around, don't go to the middle of the city where everyone can see you.
I'm sorry, sir.
I mean, we all on the same side. I might as well tell you what's going on. So you do know how the rules are working.
The theory in my town was...
What happened is something called the zero point. At the start of time itself, it created the zero point, which holds all the timelines together. And it also has great power. This led to power-hungry organizations time and time again seeking its power. But in my absence, something has happened, even leaving allies along the way. But it broke off into pieces. We built this place to hold it when we found and tracked down the shards so we could put it back together.
So what happens when we put it back together?
We don't know, but what we do know is that it's in the possession of an evil force. And when the time comes, you and your team will hopefully get it back.
better than to sneak around.
I'm sorry, I was just curious. But why are you guys working with Midas? I've hunted criminal.
And have you heard the story about what me and Jones did?
Yeah, how you defeated an evil organization?
Yeah, me and Jones were wanted criminals by the whole island when that happened.
Oh, I never knew.
Yeah, Midas was doing the same thing during his time. But that doesn't mean we fully trust him. kiss you twice. No pressure, just my whole life on the line. Guess I owe you a single kitty kiss. I'll take what I can get. Barf. They're actually kissing. This is a national emergency. I'm watching them now, all going to plan. This date is about to get ruined. Time to upgrade this rom-com to an action thriller. And 3, 2... No! That's Dad's car! My life is over! Literally over! Was that your car? Technically, it was a borrow. That's basically legal. Do you want me to take the blame? I can lie. I'm a really good liar. No way. If Homer finds out I stole it and blew it up, he's gonna put me in the microwave and hit popcorn. So, this isn't part of the date? No, this is the romantic watch your life fall apart part. You wanted sparks with your date part? You're welcome.
Where is my car?
Huh? Car? You had a car?
Don't play dumb, boy. It's the one I've had since the Bush administration.
Maybe it got stolen? The economy's rough, man. Actually, I saw Bart take it. He picked up his girlfriend and drove off like Fast and Clownius. You little snake!
You stole my car to impress some girl? What happened?
Okay, yes, I took it, but it blew up! I didn't do it, it just combusted, like spontaneously!
My car spontaneously exploded the moment you touched it? That's the best you got?
To be fair, he did give it that extra romantic touch of detonation. I swear, someone set me up!
You're grounded! No games, no TV, no food, and no pocket money until I forget this ever happened.
That's like never. Maybe it was your date, Romeo. Explosive chemistry. Somebody blew up that car, and I'm gonna find out who. Plan worked. Bart's grounded, no princess, no pool hall, no dignity. He looked like a burnt marshmallow when the car blew. I could not stop laughing. Knew it was her, that little evil genius. Lisa, dinner, before it gets cold. Meeting you tonight, can't wait. Gotta go, Mom's yelling about dinner. Lisa, hurry! Coming. Time for a little interior design. Lisa's evil lair needs more color. Next time you blow up a car, maybe don't text your whole plan, genius. Boom! Part 1, Lisa 0. And I will find your little partner in crime. What the hell? My room! My wall! My posters! Dad, Bart wrecked my room!
What's all the yelling about? Sweet tap-dancing Sasquatch! What happened here?
Bart happened. He destroyed everything.
Bart! Get out here now!
Yeah? What's the problem?
Don't play dumb. You turned your sister's room into a crime scene.
Wasn't me. Maybe a wild kitty cat with an art degree broke in? You little liar. Oh, please. You're the one who blew up Dad's car.
What car?
The car that exploded because Lisa rigged it with an explosive just to ruin my date.
Lisa, did you?
Me? Blow up your car? Daddy, I'd never. That's awful. You're standing there crying, pretending to be a good girl. I'm just upset about my room. So many memories.
Enough, Bart. You're grounded for a year. No games, no TV, no air.
Fine, but you just grounded the wrong kid. You want a war, Lisa? You got one. Where do you think you're going?
Well, Lisa the legend. That was epic. You nuked his whole night.
Told you I'd ruin it. You owe me.
Payment as promised. Worth every credit. He looked like he was gonna cry when that car blew.
I know. And he totally got grounded. He'll be lucky to see daylight before next Christmas.
Oh, you are so done. So, since we make a good team, maybe we should hang out? Just the two of us.
Like a date?
Like a date.
You're on! But you're paying this time.
She knew. She planned it.
And Scruffy? Traitor! Princess is gonna hear about this. And so is Dad. You messed with the wrong brother, Lisa. No more secrets. No more flirty treehouse meetups.
What is your brother doing?
Bart, have you lost your mind?
Yep, and I found this. He's crazy. I'm out.
Yeah, you better run, love bug. And if you ever talk to Princess again, I'll chainsaw your scooter next. Guess what I got? Video of everything. The payoff, the prank, the date flirting betrayal. All of it. Okay. I'm sorry, all right? I just got jealous you had someone. You blew up Dad's car. I'll tell him it was me. And I'll tell Princess you're amazing. I'll even pay for your next date. Just don't show him the video. Or use the gun again.
Fine, but you're walking to dinner. And I'm keeping the gun.
Worst brother ever.
Best revenge ever.
Still got it, barely.
Surprise! Look who came back early!
Bet you miss me, loser.
What is that, a fashion blender?
It's an adaptive combat assist exosuit. Try not to cry.
Bart Simpson detected. Threat level. Sad skateboard kid.
Hey, I'll take you on, Toaster.
Balance. Poor. Coordination. Laughable.
Even my mech thinks you're trash.
Great. Now I'm getting roasted by a microwave and boots. Okay. Play nice, you two.
Suggested career path. Professional disappointment.
I'm gonna hack that thing and feed it to the lawnmower. Love you too, skater boy.
Emotional instability. Confirmed.
Revenge plan. Do not read.
Okay. Tripwire at the stairs. Oil slick on her saxophone. Maybe a glitter bomb in her shampoo.
That mech's going down. Art, I come bearing peace.
Peace? From you? That smells like a setup.
Come on, I'm serious. You've been such a good sport today. I thought you deserved a treat.
Suspicion levels high. Gift integrity compromised.
This is another one of those fake chocolate bars filled with broccoli, I swear!
Delivery initiated.
What? Oh my gosh, you should see your face.
Target covered in leaves and branches. Mission. Hilarious. Status. Success.
You crossed the line. There's and land a kickflip. Okay, Toaster. War it is. Time to rewrite some code. Too easy.
Unauthorized presence detected. Just kidding. Sleep mode engaged.
Let's see how smart this tin can really is.
Virus installing. Do not unplug.
Oh, I won't.
Rebooting. With attitude.
That's right, Robonarch. Tomorrow, you're gonna be the punchline. Morning, Mom. Smells like carbs. Made your favorite. Sit. Eat. No explosions. That was one time.
Steamed ham detected. Flattening threat.
What? What in the holy donut is going on? I didn't do anything. I swear.
Morning chaos mode activated. Family irrelevant.
Mom, I think someone tampered with it. Wrong. Now. But I didn't. Now, Lisa.
Mission successful.
Next time I'm buying her a bike.
Lisa, come on! Out the window, quick!
Dad, I'm grounded.
And I'm your parole officer with a gift. Surprise trip. Music store.
Wait, really? You're doing something thoughtful?
Just don't tell your mom. Or the cops. Or anyone, really.
Music store, huh? More like beer store. I know this play. Showtime.
Go grab yourself something musical. I'll just be, supporting local business next door.
You're going to Moe's, aren't you?
Excuse me, it's a surprise father-daughter trip with a brief beer intermission.
Let's turn this recital into a riot. Wait, what the? Art? You maniac! 5 stars. Would crash again.
What I missed?
Just a solo. Little explosive improv. You ruined everything! Correction. Improve everything.
Okay, who called the fire department?
You've got to be kidding me. Again?
I didn't do it! I was going to buy a metronome!
I just stepped in for one beer.
You left your daughter grounded in a war zone.
And look, she's doing great.
No! No! Arrest Bart! He did this! He stole the car!
Oh yeah? You got proof?
Does it look like I crashed a car into a store?
Father-daughter jail trip, like old times.
Depends who's asking. You almost got your sister killed, Bart. Okay, maybe I nudged it into a window? Barely. The store did most of the exploding. You almost got your sister killed, Bart. She'll live, drama queen. Go to your room. Is she okay? I don't know. Why don't you ask the police?